Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Gene Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Varshaba movie review. Mohanlal's fantasy epic is full of ambition, like conviction, becoming predictable. Are you planning to watch Mohanlal's action epic movie? Varshaba is theaters. Here is the Peg Bella review for you to check out by Gautam and updated on 25th December 2025. Name Varshaba. Director Nanda Kishore, cast Mohanlal, Simriti Lankesh, Nayant Renka, Rogini Tiwari, Ajay, Neha Saxena, Vinay Verma, writer Nanda Kishore, rating 5 out of 2. Varshuba starring Mohanlal in the lead role was released in theaters on 25th December 2025, coinciding with Christmas. Directed by Nanda Kishore, the film is a fantasy epic action drama that explores the themes of karma and reincarnation. If you are planning to watch the movie in theaters, here is the Pink Villa review for you to check out the plot. Varshava follows the story of a wealthy businessman named Adideva Verma, who lives with his son. However, after his son visits Adi's ancestral village, the businessman begins to experience mysterious visions from his past life. Here he was a king named Raja Vijendra Varshava. Confused by these visions, Adi is unaware of what is happening in his life, which begins to affect his sight. In his vision, the businessman also realized that his arch rival from the past has taken rebirth as his son in the present day. The rest of the movie follows how Adi deals with this emotional turmoil and the bond he shares with his son. Additionally, the film explores the themes of the karmic cycle and reincarnation, underlining the events that took place in his past life. The good. Varshava majorly benefits from Mohanlal leading the cast. In the later role, the film attempts to be a complete entertainer, focusing heavily on the superstar and catering to his fans, as evidenced by the good of acting title card. The movie highlights the actor's several nuances and skills, making him an aptly choice to balance the dual roles of a businessman and a king. His understated expressions and refined performance shine through every scene, making the film truly his own. While the story, screenplay, and direction falter, the film features an impressive soundtrack composed by Sam C.S. The Kathy the composer handles the emotional core of the film effectively while also elevating the action moment with ease. The band Warsaw is ambitious in its entire world building, but the movie ultimately fails to live up to its setup. The introduction works well in capturing the audience's attention, but the lack of momentum in the narrative prevents it from becoming an engaging watch. The lack of conviction from a storytelling perspective makes the film feel like a lazy venture with little effort put into making it memorable. The theme of the father-son bond and reincarnation feel repetitive and lack the emotional depth needed to leave an impact. As the writing suffers, Varshaba also fails to impress in terms of production value. The action sequences appear caricaturish due to poor set design and unimpressive costume choices. Moreover, the visuals and editing leave much to be desired, making the film feel stale and boring. The performances. Mohanlal, as always, does his best with the material he is given. The actor fully embodies his character, reinforcing why he is often regarded as a director actor. The superstar carries a calm poise and subtlety that few others possess. Samarjit Lankesh, who plays Laltane's son in the film also delivers a commendable performance, especially during the emotional moments. Additionally, Nayan Sarika and Ragini Divivri do their best in their supporting roles. The verdict, Varshava is an ambitious attempt at crafting a film that explores the themes of reincarnation and the depth of familial bonds. However, its lackluster execution makes it an exhausting watch. If you wish to see an impressive performance by Mohanlal, you may consider watching it in theaters. Otherwise, it might be better to wait for its OTT release. Disclaimer: the views and opinions expressed in this article are those of the author and do not reflect the official policy or position of Frank Villa. No statement in this article is intended to defame, harm, or malign any individual or entity. Archery. Baba Ba. A team reveals Mohanlal's reaction to playing Talopathy. Vijay fan, he will be so happy to see this. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.